What's one of the best features of an IKEA kitchen, you ask? Soft close hinges and soft close drawers.
All right, folks, welcome to the kitchen. Yes, the 90s called and they want their desk back. This is what we're dealing with. My mom hated this fridge. There was a sale at Costco, so we were like, what if we just rip this section out and renovate it? So that's what we did. We designed, we'll have a separate video for how to design on IKEA, but the pallet shows up. Most important thing when the pallet shows up, separate it, organize it by cabinet or drawer. Major, major pro tip.
And so after you get your IKEA stuff, well, you got to tear out the existing stuff. And it's always a pleasure to tear the stuff out of the wall. However, you want to do it in an organized, in good fashion, because you don't want to destroy any of the wall that you aren't planning on replacing.
Yeah, so look for those main screws.
And it's a puzzle because whoever put this together, they wanted it to last for a very long time, and there were lots of screws everywhere.
This is the fridge that's hated. It ended up in the garage. Here's Sam Wise, our foreman.
And they were unimpressed with the noise we were making.
You guys, demo's so fun. It really is a great way to just be active, get out some frustration, and also have a lot of payoff. These cabinets are waiting in queue to get burned.
And there's the 90s phone desk or bill desk, or I don't know, maybe kids did homework there back in the 90s.
But if you've had one of these, you know that at least one part of it is like cemented to the core of the earth. So this took us a while to get out.
But I used my karate skills and got rid of it. As you can see, it's gone.
It was such a delight burning these cabinets.
Don't know if the environment appreciated it with all those 90s era glues and chemicals.
Perfect fall day though. And then look at this. It really opened up. So like I said, there was a sale going on. My mom wanted a specific fridge, so we built around it. I influenced Mark.
And now here we're going. This is the Ikea Sektion rail. Now, for the IKEA's cabinets, the rail is what you use to mount the cabinets. And it is a pretty good system. However, any rebuild, any remodel, the walls, the ceiling, the floor is not going to be level. So you kind of have to do the best that you can.
Yeah, you have to really measure to get it square. The room likely won't be, but you can see once the rail is up, it's as easy as slide it on and secure it into place. It is a fantastic system.
And we did put the rail higher than IKEA recommends, but that's because we were trying to keep as little space between the cabinets and the soffit up above.
We did all this in one day. Like, it really moves. Once you have it built out, it really, really moves. Hey, do us a favor, help us beat the algorithm, subscribe. I love putting together these drawers. I love it too much, and I forgot to film any of it, but once you figure them out, they are so fun to build, at least for me.
And there you have it. We have a photo of the cabinets and the drawers with all of their fronts on and drawers in.
So much more usable space. My mom really wanted to have extra countertops, so we did a microwave insert. Love, love, love. She is so happy with it.
And at first it was pretty daunting, but the instructions for putting in the microwave was great, and it fit perfectly. It fit perfectly in that cabinet.
So satisfying. It is an IKEA microwave. Yes. Ugh, the pulls. Look at that baby. Okay, one thing I do want to say, when you are, or if you do a microwave insert, make sure you look at where the outlets are and then cut your holes out of your cabinets accordingly. So look, we have a new fridge It arrived from Costco. It was delivered and installed by Costco. We love this. This is the Samsung Bespoke 3-door. It has the beverage center. I'm obsessed. I was trying to get a video of it filling up. When you shut the door, it refills your pitcher for you. Okay, so next up, we are dealing with needing to build a countertop and also the toe kicks. But another thing that I found was this motion detector light, which, what a benefit to show up trying to get a drink and then a light comes on for you. Yes, please.
So now here we are cutting the toe kick to go below the cabinets. And again, this is the IKEA system, which is very easy to install. You just have to make sure that you cut the right lengths. And again, always cut twice. Always measure twice and cut once. And again, because this is a remodel, nothing's perfect. So we weren't dealing with complete 90-degree angles, and I had to kind of make a cut on a little bit of a slant.
Yeah, you can see
so that it would fit in the cabinets correctly. And it's just a lot of fun figuring this puzzle out and getting it done complete. After cutting for length, we found out that the toe kick was too tall and would not fit. So we cut about a 1/4 inch off, and IKEA made it so that you could do that.
Okay, so this is a reminder of what the countertop looked like. It's a cutting board right now, but the toe kick is installed. So our next project is this butcher block laminate.
I thought that this was solid walnut for some reason, and I would have cut it a little bit differently had I actually realized that it was laminate.
Okay, the next step are these cover panels. You can see we have it placed on the bottom. It just really finishes off the look, gives it a really nice polished look. We added the wood grain to our cover panels, and we love it. Next are the pulls for the cabinet. My mom wanted just like a really timeless, classy glass. This was something that didn't make sense for her look in the kitchen, but I love, and we're gonna try to put somewhere else.
So now that we have the pulls, you have to install them. And you want them to be centered, and you want them to be in the same place on each door. And you just really need to be exact here. And also you want to be exact because you don't want to go putting a hole into the door and have it be wrong and then have to get another door.
This was some of my favorite teamwork effort right here because one person's drilling while another person's vacuuming. It just made the job so wonderful. And the pulls look fantastic. Really taking the time to measure correctly paid off. Here, we'll give you some close-up shots here.
And there you have it. It looks great. It's cohesive with the whole kitchen. And the client loves it.
Remember from the beginning, we really love these soft close hinges. It just adds a level of luxury. Have you done, sir?
I got tired of measuring stuff and everything, so I just made a template so that I can trace where the holes need to go instead of measuring everything out. So using the template, we're able to drill the holes in the right spot, because again, you don't want to ruin the faces of these drawers and have to get new ones. You want to double check and drill once.
Speaking of drawer fronts though, you might not know this, but there are companies that make drawer fronts and cabinet fronts for IKEA Sektion cabinets. If you don't like the fronts that IKEA offers, there is a whole world of opportunity out there. Something to consider if you are going to do your IKEA kitchen. Please make sure to subscribe. We love having you with us.
And again, just more drilling of the holes for the
Okay,
cabinet
if we were to
holes.
do this again, empty your drawers before you're drilling. We had to go through and vacuum. I mean, it was fine, but that was a rookie move. Who doesn't love slow-mo wood shredding?
It looks cool, it just takes a while. It takes a long time when it's in slow-mo. And there you can see, oh, we did have issues with these pulls, is that the glass handles separated from the parts that went into that screwed into the drawers. So we had to super glue a couple of them.
But it worked out well and nothing has come apart.
And nothing had to be returned to Amazon.
Okay, so we were telling our foreman that we think the job is done and he's inspecting our work. Let's see if he lays down, then we know it's good.
He approves.
Here it is, guys. We did it. We love it. The client loves it, aka my mom. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. We appreciate it. Thank you.
See you next week.